My name is Jason Yee Shui. I attended the Toronto Film School video production online program, and I graduated in July of 2022. Recently, actually quit real estate to pursue full-time career in filmmaking. My wife is a full-time content creator, and so I thought it would be a great idea for me to develop the skills on the video side to assist her with her work so that we could have a family business. So that's what we're doing. When I was looking for somewhere to go, I wanted a place that was reputable. So a place that had really good reviews online, and Toronto Film School was the one that sort of came up as one of the more reputable film schools to attend. The other reason why I decided to attend Toronto Film School was because a lot of the instructors are actual active members of the industry currently. So they're not people who left the industry and decided, okay, well, pre-retirement, I now want to teach. These are people who are active in the film industry and could provide, valuable information about, what's happening in the industry. So that's one of the reasons why I really want to attend, and what attracted me to this particular school. If I could snap my fingers right now and just do whatever I wanted to do, I would probably be making documentaries. That would be what I'd want to do. Definitely things that would be about history, but not necessarily like world wars. We're talking about societal history, things that are relevant to just everyday life. Those are the kind of things that are most interesting to me. In my program, it was online, so you really had to make an effort. If you were going to connect with people, you needed to reach out to them and connect, right? And try to see if you guys can do something, I guess, together. But I would say that for me, I did make connections with a few of the different peers that I had. And a lot of it had to do with, we had similar interests, or we had a similar thought or take on a particular discussion. And so that seemed to draw us in, and find something in common with each other. The thing that I appreciated the most about the faculty was their honesty. They didn't pump me up, make me feel like I'm better than I was. They were very real with me and letting me know sort of the things that I needed to work on. I got into this program never picking up a camera. So my first experience of picking up a camera was the first assignment that we had. But the thing that I noticed most was that if I was going to improve, I needed to be open to the constructive criticism. I found that the instructors gave me some really valuable advice. They let me know that when you're working on set, it's not so much about what you know. It's about the energy that you bring to the set, the positivity that you bring to the set. If you're someone who's really easy to work with, people are going to want to work with you over and over and over again, because these are long days. And if they're working with people that are positive and have lots of energy, it's going to be a much more enjoyable experience. My highlight absolutely was at the end when I had my final project and I had to write a script for my short film. The reason why that was the highlight for me was because I didn't think I'd be able to write a script. That short film and that script was actually selected to be part of the Toronto Film School Festival of Films. And that film actually ended up being a finalist in that festival. The fact that I was able to envision and think about creating an actual short film, writing the script, and being able to produce something that I was happy with in the end, and that other people seemed to be happy with as well. If learning something new was easy, everybody would do it. For me, I really wanted to figure out what is this new thing that I can possibly learn that can carry me on for like the rest of my working years. For me, the joy is in exploring what you think you might be capable of. But the journey was the most exciting part for me. I think anybody who is trying to, enter a brand new career, what's the journey that you're gonna go on, and what are you going to discover in the end, right? The unknown to me is the most exciting part. How many things you have to learn, just kind of in the process. You realize that, hey, listen, it's all doable. It's something that you can accomplish. You just need to stick to it.